works with magic and unicorn tears. Oh, it is not a filter. It is a water treatment system. The stainless steel head is robust and a nice solid chunk of metal. Easily could withstand brazing/soldering, on the spot, with the cartridge off. The 3/4 of an inch NPT inlet and outlet has nearly a clear flow path, so your GPM will not be reduced. Install a ball or gate valve in front to permit easy cartridge changeouts. The T must be orientated to the water flow. Use the arrow on the side of the T, for the water to get treated while flowing. There is an elevated tab in the T with a single hole for directing a small portion of the water down into the center hole of the cartridge. The water slowly dissolves a small amount of food-grade polyphosphate from the beads and, using the Venturi effect, the water is then pulled back through the 8 holes in the cartridge perimeter and through the 3 holes in the T, surrounding the center tab, to mix with the flowing water. Only 2 to 3 parts per million is needed to treat for scale. From past uses at a different home, I've gotten about 20,000 gallons out of a cartridge with still some beads rattling in the bottom when replacing the cartridge. I would say that if you use less than 2,000 gallons a month, then one cartridge should easily last a year. The cartridge threads are plastic and you can easily cross-thread them if you get in a hurry replacing the cartridge. Just make sure you get the threads started straight and it screws up with no problems. The threads do not provide a seal, it is the O-ring so once hand tight that is tight enough. I hope this rating remains the same over the years. I just installed the scale preventer, as it was recommended by technical support associated with EcoSmart tankless hot water heaters. My 5-year-old tankless died, because of scale, and the vendor recommended that I install this unit on the cold water source line to prevent the same thing from happening again. I've read good things about this unit and look forward to many years of service. The photo shows my setup. Wish I'd known about this from the start. Added this filter to my Orientated tankless water heater for scale control. So far I have it for almost 7 months and it's doing what it's supposed to be doing. I have noticed less scale buildup around faucets and shower heads. This is my second tankless water heater. First one died cause of scale buildup and heat exchange. I was told by the plumber to help keep the heat exchange from developing buildup, it's a good idea to add a scale inhibitor to your tankless hot water heater. Click link in description for more reviews.